Ayun, hello once again to everyone. Today we will be doing another fragrance review. Ayan, so katulad po na nakikita nyo sa ating title, we will be doing a niche perfume review. So ang review po natin ngayon ay Tango from Masque Milano, a beautiful perfume. Ano kaya ang meron sa perfume na to? Stay tuned po. Ayan, so again guys, ang re-review po natin is a niche perfume called Tango from Masque Milano. So, Masque Milano guys, share ko lang sa inyo, this is a lesser known na niche frag house no in the Philippines, of course, no sa ibang bansa kilala to. Pero sa atin po, aside sa hype na nakuha ng Russian tea last year, no, ito pong Masque Milano, hindi talaga siya matunog na niche house as compared, for example, ang Initio or Parfum si Marley dito po sa frag community po natin sa Pinas. So, anyway guys, Masque Milano, this is from Milan, Italy. No, ito po ay ipinanganak, no, or it started 2010, no, from two friends, no. Ang pangalan nila ay Ricardo and Alessandro. And ito pong mga to, they want to produce perfumes, no, na nag-embody kumbaga ng aspirations nila, and gusto nilang mag-create ng kumbaga ilalagay nila yung kanilang past experiences, yung recurring dreams nila, yung kanilang passion, yung kanilang desire, yung kanila pong hilig sa music, no, sa theater and everything else. Gusto nilang ilagay yon sa scene, no, or sa mga experiences, at gusto nilang ipakita yon lahat sa perfumes. At isa nga po dito ay yung tango, no, yung tango dance kumbaga, no. So basically ito po yung history, kumbaga pinaka brief na history na yan nung house, no. And guys, before anything else, gusto ko lang pong ipakita sa inyo yung presentation, no. Grabe, a very good quality na bottle, no. A thick glass, a thick bottom, no. Parang 1.5 inches ata to. This is a rubber covered na cup, no. And the atomizer, no, pambihira, no. This is a great atomizer, no. At ngayon pa lang naamoy ko na siya, no. And the details, no, the name of the house, the name of the perfume, no. This is a 35 ml perfume, and Tango, this was released 2013. And guys, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo, no, the perfumer behind Tango, I was mind blown, no, kumbaga. The perfumer is Celis Zarokian, no. So Celis Zarokian, para po sa mga hindi nakakaalam, siya din po yung perfumer ng ilan po sa mga Amouage na perfumes, no. And yung siguro ilang po sa sikat niyang ginawa, yung kilala sa frag community ng Pinas, ay yung Nichanaise, Annie and Annie X. So wow, talagang solid tong perfume na to, at isa nga po ito sa kanyang ginawa. So ayun guys, no, the scent profile, no, ilalagay po natin somewhere here. That's ambery, warm, spicy, vanillic, woody, powdery, at may facets po ng animalic na notes, no. So anyway guys, lalagay natin lahat yan dito, yung nakalagay sa Fragrantica, at gusto ko pong basahin sa inyo yung notes, no, at ilalagay din po natin dito, no. So may amber yan, may cumin, may benzoin, may cinnamon, may cardamom, may tonka bean, sandalwood, gayak wood, Turkish rose, melilotus, jasmine, sambac, and cedar. So ayun, no. So guys, basically yun yung kanyang scent profile and yung kanya pong perfume notes, no. So siguro ang interesting thing dito, this is a niche perfume, no. So when you say niche kasi, no, of course, aside from the marketing na side of things, no, a niche perfume basically is siguro a diversion, no, from what we usually smell, no. Ito po yung mga mas yung kanila pong target ay hindi po yung mass appeal, no, or yung sino ba yung audience, no, na kanila pong gustong gustong i-present yung perfume, no. Rather, this is more on the artistic expression. Ito po yung kanila pong gustong sabihin or gustong ikwento about their experiences. I'm not saying na hindi po ginagawa ng mga designer frags yan, halimbawa ni Alberto Morillas, no. Yung Acqua di Gio, no, yan po ay expression niya, no, ng experiences niya. But anyway, siguro mas marami or mas mataas yung creative freedom when it comes to niche perfumes, no. So we will delve later sa niche perfumes, no. We will make other contents about niche perfume. So anyway guys, ang katanungan dito, how does it smell, no? So I will try my best para explain sa inyo, no, kung ano ba yung nakukuha ko or ano ba yung experience ko dito po sa Tango by Mask Milano. So on the technical side of things, no, so this opens up with that kick of amber, benzoin, and cumin. So amber guys, no, this is basically sweet, musky, para siyang amoy pine, no, so earthy, no. So may smoky facets yan, may woody facets. So multifaceted talaga tong note ng amber. And yung benzoin, that's sweet, that's vanillic, that's warm, parang may honey, parang may caramel, no. So like amber, marami din siyang facets. At yung cumin, no, so yung cumin, this is a spice, no. So that's spicy, that's bitter, that's woody, that's earthy. Meron pang times na sinasabi nila na yung cumin ay parang animalic pa, no, para siyang smell ng body odor, no. Pero guys, wag kayong matakot, no, hindi to ganon, no. Actually nung bago ko po ito makuha, no, pinapanood ko yung mga YouTube reviews about Tango at parang natatakot ako doon sa cumin note. Pero guys, I assure you, this is a wearable use ng cumin. So pagkatapos ng lahat ng yon, after some time, yung cumin po nagto-tone down at pumapasok po yung powdery and floral facets niya. At saka po yung powdery and floral facets na yun, produce yan ng cinnamon, ng cardamom, and ng guaiac wood, no. So para siyang boozy pa nga, no, from if you would try to smell it, no. Pero pinaka-star po siguro ng perfume na ito ay yung amber, no. Imagine po, for those of you who have tried MFK's Grand Soir, that's your entrance, no, kumbaga sa niche use ng amber. Ito pong Tango ng Mask Milano, this is siguro more on a heavy or medyo animalic side or use ng amber. So you could imagine, no, yung amber use dito, this is woody talaga, this is vanillic talaga, no, na may parang deep florals, powdery amber, no, na may boozy effect siya. So ganun po yung pagka amber niya dito, no. And in the creative side of things, kasi nga po niche, no, kanina technical yon, as the name implies, the tango dance, no, alam naman po natin yung tango dance, no. Imagine po natin siguro, ito siguro yung gustong ilagay ng perfumer sa mind po ng gagamit ng perfume na ito. So imagine yung smell po ng booze at tobacco that lingers in the air, yung smell po ng wooden tables and chairs, yung smell ng dress at ng suit, yung smell ng dance floor, yung smell ng leather shoes, yung smell po ng sweat, no. So yung smell ng before, during, and after the dance. So this is just creative, mind-blowing, and it takes you on this magnificent journey, no, ng tango dance, no. So alam po natin yung tango dance is an emotional expression, no. Diyan na-express yung representation ng relationships, ng physical contact, ng expressions, a great fragrance, no? Pero ang katanungan ay is it for me? No, kasi po siguro ito po yung isa sa challenge ng niche perfumes, no? Para po sa mga nagsisimula sa niche, no, siguro hindi po ito for beginners, no? For beginners sa frag game, or even po for beginners sa amber. Hindi po siya juvenile use ng amber. This is definitely on a more mature side ng amber, no? So kung hindi po ninyo nagustuhan halimbawa ang Grand Soir ng MFK, definitely hindi nyo ito magugustuhan, no? This is more on that, again, no, animalic side, and siguro kahit hindi focus talaga ng niche fragrances, but siguro let me share to you the performance, of course the longevity, or at least on my skin, no, 8 hours plus, projection, an arm's length for about 2 hours, scent bubble hanggang 4 to 5th hour meron, and this perfume is amazing sa air, no? It suspends great sa air. Kanina po in-spray ko nung pinapakita ko sa inyo yung presentation. This is a great perfume na talagang mag-fill up ng room, no? So para po sa mga may gusto nito, again, sabi ko kanina, hindi po ito for blind buying, no? Kasi this is the niche representation ng amber. For those who will like it, sa wearability, no, ako po yung nakatira sa Baguio, malamig na lugar, so perfect po ito sa weather sa ngayon, no? Pero po para sa akin, gagamitin mo lang siya paggabi, hindi siya pang office, hindi siya pang school. Kahit pa lover ka ng niche, no, I wouldn't recommend it talaga sa mga settings na yon. Siguro how you would use CH Men Privé, para po ma-imagine lang natin, no, kung saan to magandang gamitin. Yung mga perfume sa kilala natin, halimbawa CH Men Privé or Azaros Wanted by Night, kung paano mo sila gagamitin, siguro ganun din yung pagkagamit or yung wearability factor nito pong Tango by Mask Milano. So yun guys, no, basically yun lang po siguro yung gusto kong i-share dito. Again, no, later we will review other niche perfumes. Of course, ang channel po natin ay hindi lang po sa inspired perfumes or clone perfumes, Middle Eastern perfumes, designer perfumes, but also sa mga indie perfumes at sa niche perfumes. Ayan, so guys, no, before we end, gusto ko lang po mag-shout out, no, sa Scent Hound, pambihira, no, if you are looking for niche perfumes, lalo po yung hard to find, please contact Scent Hound, no, and shout out din po sa kapatid ko sa Baguio Froghead, ang manager din po ng Scent Hound. Shout out, no, kay Kevin Opulencia, no, solido yung taong yan. Please contact him if you are looking for hard to find niche or even hard to find designer frag. So ayun guys, no, if you find this helpful, if you find this interesting, please do like, share, and subscribe. Maraming salamat po. Ingat po kayo.